You've finished a home insurance quote with your client. Now it's time to review the quote's results screen to check your client is happy with the quote or if they want to make any tweaks. Here's how to find your way around it. You'll notice there are two levels, Standard and Plus, and you'll be able to see the top 3 quotes provided from our panel of cherry-picked insurers. The 3 lowest price options appear at the top. The price shown is the annual price, but you can change this to 12 monthly or 9 monthly payments with a 3-month payment holiday using the drop-down menu. Easily add and remove accidental damage cover for both buildings and contents insurance using the handy toggle buttons to immediately see the difference in price. You can also add and remove the optional extras and adjust the excess payments to however much your client will be happy to pay in the event of a claim. Click Refresh Quote to see the updated price. To view payment options, scroll down and choose the payment type and frequency. By clicking See More Insurers, you can see the full list of insurers that have returned a quote. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find our Premium Flex tool, which enables you to tweak how much commission you earn on the policy in order to lower the price for your client. This can be extra helpful when trying to get a very price-sensitive client over the line. When the client is fully happy with the quote, hit Apply and head straight to the application. Log in today and start quoting.